A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Sudesh Agawat, Counselor of Ryan School. I am here to discuss few things which are very important in all-round development of our kids. Ryan always believe in the family relationship with our parents and children. We always show concern for our kids' healthy upbringing. As you know, annual exams are around the corner, so our topic of today's discussion is how parents can help their children during their exam. My first question is, what is stress? Stress is defined as an individual's response to a pressure. डर सबको लगता है, but how individual handle it matters. Exam stress. It's a type of stress. Feeling of pressure to do better or well in the exam. This is called exam stress. From where or which factors are responsible for exam stress? We will discuss few important factors. First is high expectation of parents, competitiveness, fear of rejection by family and friend, past experience of blanking out. These are few important factors. Some other factors can be there. So, exams can be stressful for children and sometimes for parents also. Parents play a crucial role in producing emotional, mental and practical support. We all are here to discuss these strategies. How can we reduce the exam stress? First is creating a conducive study environment. Proper light should be there in the room. Ventilation should be very important. Peaceful environment. Minimum distraction like TV, noise, chit-chat noise, mobile phones. Next is be familiar with your child exam schedule. You should know what is the date sheet of your child, how many preparatory leaves are there. This is very important. You should always remember these things. Next is encouraging a study routine. In study routine, important factor is time management. I have observed during the board exams of 12th class also, though the students have prepared well for their exams, but they cannot achieve the good score. Why? Because of the time management. They spend so much time on the easier chapters and they will leave the clutter of the very leftover syllabus for a long time. This is very harmful for doing well in the exams. If you have managed with your kids in their time management, then half of the work is done. In time management, small breaks are always there for freshen up their minds. Next, providing emotional support. Kids are very delicate, emotionally very soft. Give them emotional support during exam. Listen to your child, concern and their anxiety, avoiding putting too much pressure for scoring good marks. These are some important factors by which you can give the emotional support to your child. Next, ensuring a healthy lifestyle. What do you mean by healthy lifestyle? A balanced diet. Fruits, vegetable, milk rather than the junk food. Ensure that your child gets at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is very, very important for reducing and minimizing the stress and anxiety, as well as some physical activities, playing games for a short period is also important. Next important point is helping with study technique. Study technique again play a very important role. Which are the strategies you can use to enhance their remembrance, learnings? First is, few studies are there. You can help the mind mapping, then rhythmic words, making sentence for remembering points, how they work. You can explain any chapter in a storytelling method. You can give any topic कि उसे आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं. डू यू रिमेंबर कि बच्चे पिक्चर्स क्यों याद रखते हैं, पिक्चर की स्टोरी क्यों याद रखते हैं? क्योंकि उसे वो पिक्चोरियल फॉर्म में अपने माइंड में वो सारी चीज़ें कवर कर पाते हैं. तो आप स्टोरी टेलिंग फॉर्म में उनको हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी और चीज़ें बता सकते हैं. अगर किड्स आर स्मॉल, फॉर द स्मॉलर क्लासेस, big spellings, you can break the spelling into parts and then join. These are few techniques. Then if any question have 10 to 15 points, then the first word you can make a sentence. You can make a sentence with all the points. Then with the first word he can remember the name of the first point. रिविजन स्टेप्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रिविजन स्टेप्स में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्बल लर्निंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, देन रिटन टेस्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. रिटन टेस्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. समटाइम्स verbally they can learn the things but they cannot able to write. Correct spelling writing is very important. Next is how can we manage the exam stress? Not even children, everyone, we the parents, elders face stress whenever we are going through exams. If you notice any stress in you and with your children, you should follow the few relaxing techniques. First is deep breathing. Encourage positive traits of your child. Try to develop self-confidence in him or her. What should be the parents' duties during exam? First of all, stay calm and patient. Avoid for discussion. This is very harmful. If child wants to discuss something, give him some time. Do not tell them, I am busy with my office work or household work. They are going through a learning process. Not only learning is provided by school, but also from home, neighbors and the social environment. Do not compare your children with other children. You can discuss the achievement of their role model, but you should avoid comparison with your relative. Do not criticize their mistake harshly. Do not show their high expectation during exams. Last but not the least, so the little support and the love during the exam can create wonders.
Dear parents, for sparing your valuable time from your busy schedule and attended the program related to how to overcome the stress during the exams, I want to say one thing, that during the class tests, teachers have taken care of the different techniques, different phobias which the child develops. During the class test, during the class, teachers have taken care of all that. But to bring out the best from the child, we need your support. Thank you very much.